All right, hey there. Letty's with me.
We're back together.
Whoops. I started coughing. We are out, we're at Moonstone Beach. Okay, we're on a hike, but I'll put the thing up here somewhere. We hope we're going the right direction. It shows in the all trails that we are. I clicked on this thing that says navigation, which never done, and it's looking kind of different. So anyway, we're gonna follow this trail. It's about, I don't know, how far is it? 4.6 miles. And it's a loop. Oh, and it also had a sign that says no dogs, so not dog friendly apparently, which kind of sucks. So we're going underneath the freeway. And that's where it says. It says that we're gonna be walking over here. I don't know. Oh, it's a big loop. So it looks like we're gonna walk along the beach a little bit, and then it goes up into the hills. So which way? You want to start this way first, or do you want to go through the hills first? No, so what it's going to do is going to go down the beach. I don't know which way it goes. It goes somewhere, and then it goes, we come back around through that way.
Go this way.
Okay, all right. All right, we're off. We're starting on the beach with our big clunky hiking boots. I couldn't get it to load because there was no signal over there. I don't know, maybe I can get it here. I don't want to lose it now though. As long as we don't get, we are not going to get like wet. Not the point. Although I really want to.
No, I don't want to get wet.
So it was like 37 degrees driving over, and I get here to the beach thinking it's going to be super cold, and it's like 65 degrees. Go figure. But it's beautiful. Perfect day.
Yes.
So we got off the trail, or off the beach, because Lady didn't want to get wet.
I didn't.
No, what we were worried about is that the tide was coming in pretty good, and it looked like it was getting very close to the cliffs area where we'd have to walk. And so, and also because it was really hard to walk on the sand, especially with the shoes we're wearing. So, beach should be nice and relaxing. I don't want it to be a struggle, so. All right.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, this is very pretty. Come walk with us.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own.
All right, this is super pretty out here. This is what Letty considers hiking.
Huh?
This is Letty's jam. This is your jam.
I forgot my radio.
Oh, you know what? I was gonna ask you to bring it. I was like, we need music.
I looked at it.
That was spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And
don't make fun of us. So we've only walked like 1.5 miles. And we've been on trail for about an hour. That happens. It's okay though. Our plan is to do the trail. And then we'll probably get something to eat. And so Letty has encouraged me to do keto. And I'm a very bad keto person. Am I a dirty keto or a lazy keto? I have no idea. But we've been watching the Keto twins, and they have like a whole thing on like dirty, lazy. Like, I think I'm just a failing keto person. Because yesterday I ate those big tacos. If you did not see that, go follow me on TikTok. They were bomb. So, and we're not doing Thanksgiving until tomorrow. Today's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. We're doing it on Saturday. And so, and I am so out of breath. I've not done this in a very long time. Oh. I usually just walk, but I don't have to talk. So this vlogging, out of breath. Woo. So, oh, anyway, we're coming up with some stuff. Letty gives me some great suggestions on keto options. Found a few things that I do like. I'll give an update in a few weeks on how I do. The vlogger in action right there.
All out of breath.
That's super far, but there's a windmill way down there. I don't know what it's for though. It's like in the middle of nowhere. See, so I'll show you this how far it is. Yeah, it's really far. I think this is really cool when they put information about the species in the areas. We saw a family walk by, and this is like really interesting. Like it can learn about things as they're going. So. It's a good climb for us. Yeah. Don't you want to be in the vlog? Oh, this has a lot of like little split offs into different little trails. So depending on, like, you won't get lost. I mean, just follow the all trails. Like it'll have like different, you know, like the show, like the jagged lines, and it'll take you right back on trail. So, and some of it, I think it's like a little overgrown. And so we didn't see where it split off, but it literally came right back to the trail. We weren't lost or anything. Oh. And we never get lost. We just get off trail. All the time. That's what we do. Oh, but it's been really pretty out here. There are these like wood looking things, these little step thingies. Yeah, I don't really care. I don't even know if I showed you it, but some of them have a little spike sticking out. And so lady tells me when there's a spike sticking out so I don't fall. Huh?
Very high steep.
No, really?
Really?
All right, well, we gotta do it.
Go ahead.
We can't get out of here. Take a breath.
First.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I wobble like this turkey. I wobble.
All right. I thought there was no more hills, but apparently I was wrong. One more. Maybe this is the last one.
That's what you said last time.
I know. That's what I said last time. But that's what it kind of looked like on the all trails, that we just have to go up once. But I wonder if it's more like this thing, you know? So anyway, but it's not too bad. It's like we got a good breeze going. It's a pretty day. Oh, poison oak. Don't touch that thing.
Which one is it?
I don't know. It just says poison oak right there. All right, that wasn't too bad. All right, we're almost done with this hike. It's a beautiful hike. So I really did enjoy it, and we're almost back. Then we're gonna go grab some lunch, and that is going to be keto lunch. So you'll see that. Cars over there. Letty's car's over there. I said your car's over there.
Yeah.
And what's nice about this trail is there's restrooms in the parking lot area.
There's what?
I'll take pictures before I forget. I did was I actually took the bun off and I wrapped the lettuce around it, you know, basically. It's a lettuce burger. And then they give you enough lettuce to be able to do that. So I felt bad about throwing the bun away, but it was so good. It was so juicy. I couldn't stop eating it. And I didn't. I ate it all. I finished about half the salad. That was a side salad. It was so big. And I don't know, like half of it at least.
You ate like a bird. You didn't even make a dent.
And I am full. Letty's salad looked amazing as well. And all the food looked good. So I think if we came up this way again to go for another hike, they have ribs on the menu. And I think that may not be keto friendly if it has a lot of sweet sauce on it. But
we could ask for them without the sauce.
Oh,
and get ranch and dip them in ranch.
Oh.
I'm learning.
With that salad, the salads were amazing.
Yes. A large salad, and I got a small salad.
Yeah.
Can you imagine what the large ones would look like?
I can't imagine.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. They were so huge. So anyway, but delicious. The food was great. It was called Main Street Grill. It was really, really good. Anyway, so that is it for this video. Such a great hike. Loved coming up here. It was the perfect day. Perfect weather, perfect everything.
Perfect friend.
Yes, always. And so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.